This is the best tire shine on the market, and it's not even tire shine. Welcome back to Redline Routine. My name is Sean, and today we're talking about Chemical Guys VRP. Now, this is technically a vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant product, which means it's incredibly versatile, and unironically, the thing I use it the most for is tire shine. We're gonna put some on Carson's car here, and then we're also gonna show some of the plastic and rubber restoring capabilities on my car as well. Anyway, let's get into it. So, the thing that I love, honestly, the most about this product is how dead simple it is to use. Gob a little bit onto a microfiber. Put some gobs around your tire. And buff it in. Now, the reason why this makes such a better product than most of your traditional tire shines is because most of them are sprays. And what happens when you spray greasy rubbery stuff all over your tires? Well, it gets all over your fender, and then even the best ones still fling off of your tire when you drive if you don't let them soak in enough. Whereas this, being a wipe-on application, is significantly less messy, and being that it's not just a tire shine product, it actually lasts significantly longer. When we show you my car in the next clip, you'll see that my tires are still pretty shined, and I did them over a week ago. Obviously, it's a little bit nicer if you do it on pavement, so you don't get a bunch of grass in your microfiber, but that's all it takes to make your tires nice and shiny.
All right, now I'm gonna give the rear tire a shot. Since I've never used this before, we're just gonna show how easy it is to use. So just like Sean did, a couple dabs all around it, and just rub it in. I know my tires are in awful shape because I never really used tire shine, but look at how nice that looks after just 10 seconds of elbow grease. A little more on, get the bottom half. Then just wipe a little bit of the excess off, and she looks beauty. There we go, min a tire, and change the look of your car. Makes it look like the tires are from this decade, which these are not.
All right, so now we're gonna use it for what it's actually for, which is plastics and rubbers. So, as you can see my side skirt here, well, I mean, it's like any modern black plastic. They don't really look that good after anything. So, same thing, exact same process as applying to your tires, except for it's a little bit smoother because this is what it's for. And this does also clean your black plastics as well. It's totally fine to get on your paint, but you want to wipe it off after the fact, just because it will leave a little bit of a greasy residue on your paint. And again, under a minute to do the whole side skirt, and it looks brand new. We're also going to do the window moldings, and I do these semi-frequently because I like them, and these are the ones that you need to be more careful about because you're gonna get greasy residue all over your window, and these take a little bit longer, but if you're trying to make your car look absolutely perfect, this is what you want to do. As you can see, in a matter of minutes, you can make your tires look nice and fresh, you can restore your plastics, and that's not even getting into all of the great interior uses. If you've got vinyl leather seats, you can do the whole seats and they bring them right back to life. All of your black plastics on your doors and dashboard. This really is a phenomenally versatile product. I've been using it for 6 years and I cannot recommend it enough. If you have any recommendations of something that's better than this, comment it down below. Also, we need some wheel cleaner recommendations. We're looking at a few. Comment your favorites, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.